Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with paper. Start by gathering thin paper, glue, gelatin or gummy mix substitutes, food coloring, and a silicone bear mold or paper template for shaping. I will walk through folding, layering paper with adhesive, sealing edges, adding color, and drying techniques. You will learn easy tips to avoid soggy texture, create bright colors, and finish realistic bear shapes that hold together. Gather your materials carefully and set a clean workspace with absorbent paper towels. Use thin rice paper or vellum, PVA or craft glue diluted slightly, food gel colors, a small brush, and precise scissors. I will demonstrate measuring glue ratios, cutting templates, layering to build translucency, and controlled drying to keep shape. Follow pacing tips and safety reminders for non-toxic materials so your paper gummy bears look consistent and hold up. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. On another note, grab cozy darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for all your crafting sessions because damp fingers and cold floors ruin focus. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. I appreciate your support and short breaks like this. They are comfy and built to last. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain folding and layering techniques that create the gummy texture. Start by brushing a thin glue layer on each paper piece, add color sparingly, then overlap edges to form the bear silhouette. Use gentle pressure and tiny clamps or clips to hold seams while drying slowly to avoid warping. Trim excess paper after full dryness and optionally seal with a clear non-toxic varnish for extra durability and slight sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.